she say, we duck and dodge for crumbs of love. Baby, tell me what you need, you best believe. Ain't pulling strings, don't make believe. I'm really who I'm saying I am. Baby, put you on notice, you don't need the perfect moment to tell me that you want it. It ain't no read between the lines, if you looking for a spark, you know you got the whole fire if you want it. And show you how to stoke it. You know I gotta let me open.
Follow me, deal with trauma privately. I don't wanna be a burden, I handle things defiantly. Spent a decade searching for a higher power guiding me. Figured out that faith is not up there, that it's inside of me. Act with execution, what's a plan with zero action? Faced with bad habits, knowing it's a magnet to my imbalance. I'm somewhere between confidence and arrogance. The middle ground is treacherous, I work on getting out of it. Pops is looking down, I feel him every time the sun shine. Back to being unsigned, I only got my bloodline with me going forward, smoking cookie till we dumb high. I heard you taking shots, we pulled up on them, they was gun shy. 2 p.m. in Rome, we at the chapel eating sun-dried tomatoes and a plum wine. Life been like a movie, I don't know how long the run time. Hope it's an extended cut, but when I die, I load my consciousness onto a thumb drive and upload it to the masses. When I pass, all my sets is holographic. Life's as real as you imagine. My Jewish girl was tight, cause I ain't Linka on the Sabbath, but it's Friday and I got a few robins I need to bask in. Playing traffic, if you wanna play the faction, we don't act, we getting active, stacking cash and dodging taxes. My father was a Catholic, never taught me how to practice, but with music I'm a Baptist. Chris and all these fucking tracks I bless these raps with. Standing in the middle of the marsh, both sides caving on the drive. Praying to my pops and the guys, God please help me out. Can you spare me for once? Hey, yeah. Can you spare me for once? Hey, I ain't asking for much. No.
We watch history. We make history. And one day we become it.
All right, guys, we're out here with Position Advance. They're getting ready to turn on some music, so I'm gonna run through. I'm gonna show you. This was cool. This was a meetup, a cruise, and now we're at another spot where we're gonna do a little cars and coffee style. I'm gonna show you what's out today, run you guys through everything, and just another one of those fun things to do out here in SoCal. We all got together, we pre-met, hung out, you know, hit that energy drink, and then it was time to come out to the next spot. We cruised up here. Now we're gonna hang out at Westside Gun Club. They're the ones hosting this location. So we'll run through. I'll show you guys what cars came out, what cars cruised together. I mean, you guys kind of saw what cars cruised together, but I'll show you a little bit more of that if I can. And we're gonna start doing our walk and talk and go through this. I'll show you what's here. All right, let me flip you guys around. I'm gonna come back here to the A90s, flip you guys around, and we'll start talking about what we got out today. Here, let me get you guys going. So, we're just kind of parked everywhere today because, you know, that's how the events goes. So we rolled up with a couple A90s, real clean. I like the setup on this one. So nice low wing, but just a little bit up off the rear deck. Looks good. Almost looks like a OEM Plus with like the risers added. I like that. This one, have you guys driven the manual version? The manual version drives so good. I mean, you guys know I like the Supra anyways, but the manual is just that little bit of extra, you know. Let me zoom you guys out. There you go. There we go. So, what do you guys think, Supra or GR86? If you had to go in between the two, daily it, track it, do all your stuff, which one do you guys like better? You guys like the Supra or the GR? Let me know what you guys think. So this one though, this one got me because it's got the black center caps and the white wheels. So that's kind of the setup for me. I got the white TC4s, so that's cool to see. I'm probably gonna have to do the black center caps over the white and silver ones. But I'm down for some feedback. If you guys want to let me know which ones you guys like better, which one's this, you know. The FC was so much fun out there. Full angle kit, just doing its normal brop stuff that a rotary does. Got the little EK, got the wheels all dirty. Haven't had a chance to wipe them back down. If you guys see me out in SoCal, I always give you guys a hint. So look, if you guys don't know it's me, I try and always prop the hood for you guys. Let's talk about static, because most of the time when you're dumped out this low, especially on a BMW, you know, you're on air. He is not on air. He just rolling through, just doing his thing. He's got the Recaros in it. It's super cool. Like, it's definitely a chill setup. Let me see if I can get that. There we go. Get the sun out a little bit for you. So we got a handful of BMWs that came out. The E90s, the F chassis. I don't think I see any G chassis, but we'll go through. I'll try and get close to the S2K. The S2K is interesting because he's got what looks like a rear bumper cut, but it's actually a full legit bumper. But that's over by the music, so I'll probably just have to scroll by and just show you guys that. But look, GR86 on like the darker Nardo gray style like TEs. I really like that kind of muted color on the TE. I think that's a good difference versus like the white on white that you normally see. Like I said, we'll go over there. Let's run around and see what else we got over here. Everybody legit just kind of had to park everywhere and just find a good place to park. We got the 14 over here on some what works. Nice and clean, nice and simple. What do you guys think? I think his word is pineapple. What do you guys think? It's always about the details. I always love finding like random stuff for details. Rocking the Recaros. What? The CEs. Oh, I really like the dogfight steering wheel. That's cool. That looks really nice. Got the Recaros. I think I should throw a Recaro. That would be funny. Have a Brid seat and a Recaro seat in the EK. I don't know. You know, I want the DC2 seats, the DC2R seats too, but like maybe it'd be cool to like just throw a Recaro in there. I wonder, hey, you guys drop this in the comment. Here, I got a question for you. I don't know off the top of my head. I mean, I'll do the research, but you guys tell me if you know, you'll drop it in the comments quicker. So like the Recaro, like the pole positions, do they make it with a red stitching? Because that I'd be down. I'd throw like a Recaro pole position in with if Recaro was in black stitching. That I would be down for. That, you guys let me know. Do they make it that way? Little F chassis, M Sport wheels, huge freaking set of brakes on that thing. Got a couple of the homies cars, TEs with the red highlights. I like how he did the Chronicles in red too, to match the rest of the TE decals. On the spoon calipers, because you got to, you know, that's Honda things. That's Honda game right there. Then we got the 370 on his TEs. He doesn't have any red. We need to talk to him. He needs some red decals. Where's his little red highlights? Picked up a random 370. I don't mean like picked up, but you know, we were cruising up. We were at a light, came past him, and he's like, "Where you guys all going?" I was like, "You ain't going the same place?" He's like, "Nah, man, I was just driving. I saw all you guys." So it's kind of cool. Spotted him on the road. I was like, "Dude, just follow us. We're like a mile from the spot." And that's what he did. So he's gonna hang out with us today, which is pretty cool. Like, like we were at the stoplights, we were like talking window to window, and he's like, yeah, man, it's been so long since I've been out. I was like, dude, we're going right up the street. I was like, come out, man. Like, come and hang out. So it's kind of cool. Like, we just picked up a random extra, you know, and that's how it is. That's the car community spirit. You know what I mean? So he'll come out, he'll hang out, we'll all talk and, you know, goof off for a little bit. It's kind of funny because I was doing weather reports for you guys today. Today's supposed to be like 90 degrees. This is too hot for SoCal, which is kind of funny because everybody out here in SoCal complains if it's under 70, complains if it's over 80, you know. But yeah, today's supposed to be 90, so it's gonna be a hot day. Let me see, I don't think I got you guys on these. So I got the other M3 TEs. TEs are it. Like, you can't go wrong on the TEs. The TEs fit everything. Little first gen TRD kit on it. Nice and clean, carbon mirrors. Rocking the Cusco seats. I like it. It's a good little setup. See, kept the stock seat. Rocked over the Cusco Nardi wheel. Nice and simple. That's it. So that's what I've been telling you guys. Like the 8.6s, whether or not it's first gen, second gen, really just, it's kind of the car to go with. Like, why wouldn't you? It does everything really good. This M3 is beautiful. Check out this M3. What do you guys think about this? So I didn't realize Titan 7 makes that classic wheel. What do you guys think about that Titan 7 wheel? It's super clean. Just a word of advice, always be careful when you're walking through, especially in the parking lots, because those Teslas will sneak up on you and just run your tail over. Got a bunch of good M3s, got the vet rolling with us. But yeah, man, the Titan 7s on that classic wheel look really good. But yeah, like, I think the 8.6 really just does everything well. That's what I liked about the Supra. And I know I've kind of had this discussion before. You know, you have your entry level, right? And then I guess if you wanted more power and to take the next step up, then you move over into like the Supra. But I don't know. I wouldn't mind like a newer car, right? A newer car that I was just gonna have a bunch of fun with. Kinda, you guys are gonna hate me on this, kind of like a replacement of the S2000. You know, I could get into an 8.6, or if I wanted to have a lot of fun, then I go into the Supra. So I don't know. It's all one of those things. If I just have extra money, and I bought a bunch of right-hand drive cars, you know, that's what I would get. But all right, so if anything else rolls out today, I'll show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was a nice little like pre-get-together, pre-drive to the location. This is what's out here right now, so I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys if anything else comes out. Otherwise, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll see you guys at the next one. If you guys make it to the end, top five reasonable right-hand drive cars. Let's talk about it. All right, I'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks.